My name is Sydney Marino, and I'm an attorney at the Simon Law Firm. I grew up on the Hill in St. Louis, Missouri. I come from a very large Italian family. My grandparents lived there my entire life. I grew up playing competitive soccer in St. Louis. I really know that team mentality but also pushing yourself and being a leader, and that's something that I give to this profession now. I think my earliest memories of the law profession, my dad actually worked in law enforcement. He didn't really give me a lot of details working the sorts of cases that he did. They were mainly homicide, but I just saw him going to work every day in his suit and him telling me stories of working with judges and other attorneys, and I think that was sort of where my interest started to peak. I then also had my mom, who is an immense role model in my life. She has been the president of multiple companies, and I just think seeing her in such a successful position as a woman, that also gave me the confidence to want to pursue a profession that also was a little bit more demanding. I actually worked throughout law school at the Simon Law Firm and just really felt the actual passion that this firm exudes for its clients, for its cases. I think the tagline is that where cases become causes, and that is something that really stood out to me. The practice area that I focus on here at the Simon Law Firm is catastrophic personal injury, products liability. These are cases where someone was really wronged and very harmed, and I think for me, being able to help these people, help someone that was injured in possibly the worst time of their life is something that I feel very passionate for. I want to help people and I want to help my clients first. It really is important to be the most prepared person in the room, because in this line of work and being an attorney, you don't know who you're going up against, and you just want to be able to put your best foot forward and make the case for your client all the time, whether it be a simple hearing or a deposition. Nothing small. Everything is a big deal, and that's what you will get whenever you hire me or when you hire the Simon Law Firm, because I know for a fact that every single person in here and every single attorney and staff member is also the same, like-minded, that they are determined just as much as I am, and I'll never not be the most prepared person in the room.